Welcome. We're looking at the Energizer Rechargeable battery charging port. Okay, so here it is. This is exactly what it looks like when you take it out. Okay, it does come with some instructions, but it's all pretty much self-explanatory in case you never used it. But there's the instructions that it comes with right there. Okay. Now I did buy the AAA batteries because it only comes with 2 AA batteries. But those are the instructions, and I'm going to show it to you right now, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's plugged in. So here are the 2 AA batteries. You want to take them out because there's a piece of plastic in between to keep it from charging. Okay, so we're going to put them in. Seem to be at an angle, so I'm assuming that's exactly how they go. Yeah, they go pretty much at an angle like that. And here are the AAA rechargeable batteries, and you can do 2 at a time, so you can, or 4 depending on your needs. If you need to use 4, then you use 4. If you need to use 2, then you use just 2, or you can do 2 of each separate one. So the way these ones go in like that. Okay, and then I'm going to plug it in and show you exactly what that looks like when it's charging. Okay, so there you go. All of those batteries are ready to go. They're lit up green, and that's it. There's the empty package there, and yeah, they last quite a long time, especially in electronic devices. And well, there they are. Or you can do 4 of one kind, or 4 of the other kind, or 2 and 2, just like I'm doing right there. Okay.